Hi Super Savers, and welcome back to another video. On today's video guys, I just wanted to come on real quick and show you the bargains I got in Tesco's today. I know Tesco's, I never shop in Tesco's, but I did today because they sent me out. Look at the, God, you can really see the reflection of my glasses. God, you can hardly see me at all. I'll take them off maybe. No, put them back on. No, better. So basically what they did was Tesco sent me out these 3 vouchers, and of course because I always buy my top up because I'm with O2, and I get 10% back when I top up with the O2, so I always top up in Tesco's because they give you points on your top up, which kind of is a win-win. So I think I had about £7 in like vouchers that they send you out, or maybe more actually. No, it was more. I think it was only 15 actually, or 17. Yeah, I think it was 17. I should have really calculated that properly, but I was in a hurry. And I had also another voucher that they gave me. It was when you spend £30, they would give you £3 off, which I know doesn't sound a lot, but in the whole lot, it turns out I had £20 free to spend. So I went and I did a massive shop. I got some detergents. I got like literally everything I need and more, because I have guests coming tomorrow. I'm staying for 2 nights, so I was like, I need extra food. So I'm just going to show you what I got and basically take you through what I got. Yeah. So I have tried to squish literally everything into it, including the Pampers in the back. Now my budget for food this month has gone up to 50 quid. So I usually have an extra 20 put aside for nappies, so that's what these were, but these actually came in at 19, so I got 2 packs for 19. They're normally what is it, they're normally £11 each, so I got 2 packs for 19, saving me £3. So I'm just going to take these down because they're actually really big. I also got this really 30 pack of crisps. Let's maybe just start over here because there's a lot. Right, so we needed breakfast stuff, so I got some porridge because we ran out, some sultanas, tomato passata, beef cubes, 2 packets of Vicky's because these are my favourite, and some coffee. Now it's not really fancy coffee. Normally I like Costa, but I just couldn't afford it this month, and I had other things to get like the nappies and such, so you know, it's only coffee and it keeps me awake. I got my extra strong tea because I do like a lot of tea. I got some sugar as well, which was quite cheap. It was only like 60p for sugar, which I was quite happy with. Then I got some pineapple, some orange segments and some peas, and I also got some cookies for the kids. 2 packets of fish fingers, so there's 10 in a packet for £1.60 it was, which was cheaper than buying a big packet of 20 or 30 actually. Some broccoli, some croutons for the kids, they love them. Strawberry jam, cream, packet of 4 pizzas for the kiddies for tomorrow night, big packet of sausages, frozen sausages. I also got this Napoleonte ice cream for £1, which I'm going to put in the freezer now because it's getting soft on me. Packet of chips, some orange juice, and I got this huge big litre, or what is it, 4 litres of milk or 2 litres of milk, I don't know, it's the really big one. We go through milk a lot in this house, so it's kind of handy to have. I also got some cleaning products, so I got my scourers, whatever you call them, packet of marigolds, which was actually cheaper to get the marigolds than it was to get the Tesco own brand, so you need to watch out for these things. I also got some Tesco Antibac Kitchen and some Tesco non-bio washing up liquid. Now I will be honest with you, the little one is actually cheaper, but because I already have half the thing, well, I'm nearly coming to the end of my little one, and I don't really want to be buying more than I need, so I just thought I would buy this one. It was like £1.47. The little one is £2.95, but I get 50 washes in it. This one is £1.47 and I get 30, so you know, but it'll do a turn, it'll be fine. I got my little food bin bags. I got loads of fruit, we'll go through that in a second. I also got these little brioche rolls and some croissants for the kids. 4 packets of Soreen because my kids love Soreen so much. Oranges, 2 packets of apples, bananas, tomatoes and some ripen at home nectarines. I also got this, which was, if you're a Tesco Club card member, you got it reduced. Diced chicken breast, so I got 2 packets of them, and I also got this diced beef. Now I did notice something was that the Irish beef actually was more leaner, but it was £1 dearer, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna keep my money and we'll just go with the British one for now because it'll be fine, it'll do the trick. That I think is pretty much all the shopping that I got. I hope I haven't missed out anything. Knowing my luck, I probably have, but you get the idea. I saved money today. I also got cream as well because I'm going to be doing something during the week, no doubt, with cream and chicken and all that kind of stuff. So I've just checked back on my receipt there, and I actually had £18 in savings between my vouchers and the money that Tesco gave me off themselves, and including the money off that they give you while in store while shopping. Now I did the scan and shop today because it's not something that I normally do. My whole shopping should have came to £84.97 and I paid £65.95. Now bearing in mind 20 of that is nappy money and £10 of that is also top up. So very happy with that shop. That was a good shop because normally my £10 top up is separate from my shopping bill. So all in all, and my nappies are normally separate from my shopping bill. So all in all, I have saved money today. So yeah, I have a little bit more money going into the week than I thought I did, which is going to be good. And I might put that towards my Argos card. So we're going to get that one down a little bit further, a little bit more this week. I also had, when I'm doing my cash stuffing later, because there'll be very little to the cash stuffing, well, this month's cash stuffing is going to be quite small because I paid the remainder of my council tax, so that was £70. So with what I've saved, and then I had to add the extra 70, so that's 70 out of my 200, so that's 130. Then I had to take 50 out for shopping, plus the 10 extra for the credit and the 20 extra for the nappies, and then my 40 is in there for the gym for tomorrow because that's coming out tomorrow. What else is, I had to pay the childminder as well. So yeah, that has all came out, but I still have a little bit left over. I'm not sure how much I've left over. I reckon it's going to be very small, but we will stuff that nonetheless because it deserves stuffing. It has a place to be that needs to be gotten. So yes, we shall do that later on, and I have some change as well, I'm sure, that needs to be counted towards my penny saving challenge. Guys, thank you so much for actually all the support on that last video. That was amazing. I was so impressed by that. Like, you know, I never know what I'm doing on YouTube. It's really hit and miss. I do my life and as I find it, and I'm glad you're finding it with me. So yeah, that's what we're doing, that's where we're at, and I'm just going to put all this shopping away before it melts and gets warm. So right, talk to you in a bit. Bye. So we're back, everybody. How is it going? Right, so this is what we're doing today. Today's cash stuffing is going to be really, really minimal because, as I said earlier, I had 200 quid, 40 stayed in my account for the gym, 70 went out in council tax, and 66 really I spent on food this morning. Now that food included my nappies and my credit, so that'll be taken out, I suppose, deducted at another stage during the month. But sure, look, I can see how we get on so far. So right now I have £24 and 30p. So let's see where we're going to stuff these today. Not a lot, but as I said, like, we had big bills this morning, so you only can work with what you have. So I don't need food done today, but I might put a £5 into the council tax just to start her and keep her going. So at least that's something. I'm going to put a tenner into the Argos because, do you know what? I'm nearly finished. We're nearly there. I've got less than 100 left, so let's go. 90 now. And then I have got £5 left. And I might just put, let me see where I put my £5. I'll put the £5 into the childcare because, do you know what? It's another bill that's going to start coming around quite quick. So there we go. £5 in. That's all my cash stuffing done for this week because I can't do any more. I ain't got no money, honey. Now, let's go back to the 1p penny challenge. So we have £3.30. So let's colour in £3, yeah. Oh no, it's £4.30, sorry. So £4.30, which I can't do. So we will do £1.20 and then £3. So let's do the £3. Let's colour that bit in. That's the £3 bit done. And yeah, it goes. And then the £1.30 on the other page here. I mean, I know it's like minimal. Where am I? £1.30 up here. What I have is minimal. But you know what? Come Christmas, this could be a nice little winner for some presents. You never know. Like, I already have 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, £20 and some change, which could potentially be like £21 maybe? Yeah, about £21. That's not bad, considering it's change that would just be sitting around in my pockets. Driving me mad, going into a pot and not being able to calculate it. So that's grand. That's gone in there for another week. And that is it. This week was quite tight money wise, but sure, look, you know, I need to go to the gym for my mental health and to keep all that going. But I like the way this is starting to get colourful. This one is obviously getting a little bit more colourful, but you know. Oh, sugar. Oh, that's clever. This side is obviously starting to get a little bit more colourful. We've got a lot of it marked. But yeah, we're going good. We're getting there, Super Savers. We're getting there. Every little helps, as I say, even though it's a Tesco slogan and I shopped at Tesco today. But you know, we've got to do these things to save money. Alrighty, I'm going to let you go and let you have a good evening. Talk to you soon. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just thank you all for subscribing already. It's been a joy having you here. And see you soon. See you on the next one. Bye!